in any Android mobile, or I will show you in the Samsung, but it is valid for all Android mobile. If you want to add background photo in your mobile while calling, if you want to add some background photo, how will you add? I am going to tell you very quickly in this mobile. The very first thing, just update the software version, go to the setting, go below software update, then download and install. It will check for updates, and then my software is up to date. You have to check your phone software. Just install the latest version of the software. Now go back. If the latest software version installed, then go to the phone here. Just tap on three dots here. Go to the setting. In setting, you will find many options. Just go to the call display while using and select full screen. Okay, this was the first thing. Then go to the call background, and here go to the background. Here you can select the photo which you want from your gallery or emoji, anything what you want. Just I have selected this to show you. Set your call background. Okay, this is applied. Now go back. Now dial any number, suppose 198. Dial it. See, that background has appeared here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to set call background photo, your favorite call background photo while calling any person. So if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.